Okay, Christopher, if you do that again, they're all gonna see you.
So, tell them.
Yeah, do something funny.
I have a question. Who wants this last cookie?
Oh, darn it!
Alexander got it first.
Dad, I really want that one. I like that more than anybody because
We can get some more.
no,
Are you taping?
yes,
Excellent.
they're doing funny things.
We're going to put them all on YouTube. Back up more so you can see more of the stuff.
Okay.
You can't see it.
Okay, there we go. Now I can see like everything. Oh well, they're not looking the right way.
No, it's a wacky show.
Yeah, don't zoom in, son. Let's make the picture look
Get out of here, Christopher. Oh man, now they're gonna hear that.
Look at this little dweeb. I don't think you've done enough.
Okay, I can't hold. Christopher, I can see that. Nikki, I can't see you. Get farther away, Emma. Weird. Christopher, you gotta stay back there so that we can all see you. Because the guitar, everybody has to see the guitar player. Okay, I'm done. I'm not gonna do it anymore.